If you're a smartphone bargain hunter, then you need to hear what it's really like living with the Infinix GT 20 Pro for 2 months. Ready for the good, the bad, and the wait what? Let's dive in. So what's good? The GT 20 Pro nails battery life. Seriously, you can scroll, game, and doom scroll some more without scrambling for a charger. The display? Bright and sharp for the price. And hey, the design turns heads, even if you're just waiting in line for coffee. But hang on, here come the plot twists. The camera? Hey, let's just say Instagram ready if you squint hard enough. Performance starts strong, but after a few weeks, apps lag and multitasking feels more like multi-waiting. And updates? Don't hold your breath. So, after 2 months, is it worth it? Only if you value looks and battery over camera and speed. Choose wisely.
What's up, people? Welcome back. Like she said earlier, we're gonna talk about this Infinix GT 20 Pro, like you see in the titles, 2 months after. So basically, we're gonna deep dive a little bit more like we do last time, like we did it. So just like she said, battery still is a banger. I can still make a full day with it. I don't know, a bit over medium usage, like social media, YouTube, gaming, things like that. It's still make it to a full day, but the camera, yeah, it's kind of bad. So yeah. I mean, not that bad, most of the time you see in those phone over under $200. So yeah, it's decent. Like she said on Instagram story, it's good. But if you want to make some 4K, 4K video with it, you will need some things, good light, some good environment. Yeah, but let's do this. I'm gonna share the screen with you right now. So here it is. There are some things over here, gamings, settings, still the same. System update. Let's see if we're up to date. Yeah. But one thing about this update. After the last update, I lost that hypercharge. But you will see here. What am I talking about? I don't have the option to choose between safe charge, low temperature, and hypercharge. I just got only fast charge and low temperature. That hypercharge is gone. So yeah, one thing I've just noticed, it's gaming side. As you can see here, let's see, sound effects, yada yada. Of course, I don't want to pop any game right now. For some games, I don't know if it's about software synchronized or the phone is not optimized for a specific game. But sometime in PUBG, I have some how do you say that? Some touch lows. The commands are not execute promptly. It took a little bit too long, about 1 second. I have delay between my finger and touch. I don't know, maybe it's that only in PUBG, because I didn't have that problem with some other games like New State, like Bloodshot, you know, those basic games like Slots and Bomberman, like this shit. It's okay, you know, but let's deep dive a little bit. Where is it? This is it. Last time I didn't do an Anturo Geekbench. You know, I did just a Geekbench test, but I'm gonna do it right now, live. So meanwhile, I'm gonna leave the sound, you know, but you might need it. So meanwhile, I'm gonna talk a little bit about my last video. Oh, it's already started to go like shit. As you can see, he got some frame loops, a little bit more than usual. But I'm gonna show you something after this. Might take a while. Bear with me. So about my last video, that video with AI, I've been messing with it a bit more. They received another update, and still suck. For example, in ChatGPT, you have that option to generate images with your photos, but they don't let you do more than, I don't know, 5. You can upload 5 pictures, and after that you have to pay, and it's about $20 a month. I think it's so expensive, but probably this is just for those Android phones like who are not Samsung, who had AI built in. Probably that's why. So yeah. So this is take a while. I'm gonna cut it. We'll see you guys then. Well, guys, took a while, about 10 minutes, and the score 918. 918,153. I think it's pretty good. Let's see where is he at? My device. Let's see. I'm gonna show you something, what I just found. Where is he at? Look, refresh rate 120 hertz. So that thing 144 hertz, that's a gimmick. That's not true. I mean, I shouldn't expect that. It's a $300 phone, so we barely see that one. I don't know, let's say Asus ROG Phone 9 or Red Magic 10 Pro. We barely see on that phone, so those are almost 1,000. So yeah, but 120, I think it's decent. It's okay. It's not 60 though. So, oh, by the way, after this test, it's kind of hot. That's a minus. It gets hot really quickly after the last update. I don't know why. So yeah, overall, I think it's let's see that ranking. Performance. Let's see what is mine. 2 million. What? I mean, it's decent. It's in top 50. It's good. I mean, look, Pixel 7 Pro, it's 53. What do we got here? S21 Ultra, it's above us. I mean, yeah, it's pretty good. I mean, it's not the almost 2.5 million. So yeah, like IQ 13. I'm gonna buy that. What do you think? Maybe. I don't know. I'm gonna do some research in my pocket and I will see if I will buy that. Let's see if that score is really true. So overall, yeah, I don't know how to put this on, but I think it's pretty good. There is, guys. That was my review, my opinion about this phone. Nah, I mean, it's $300 phone. If you want to buy this, lower expectation. This is not an iPhone. This is not a Samsung. This is not an ASUS gaming phone. It tried to be, but it doesn't do a great job like you saw in those details that I've just shown you. And one more I forgot to mention. In the box, supposed to be headphones. You can see here, they didn't show up. And I just found out that the headphones came with that PUBG edition phone, GT20 Pro PUBG edition. And I have found out after a few weeks. Now I'm not disappointed, you know. So yeah, $300 phone, trying to be the best. No. They still have a lot of work to do. Maybe they have to raise up the price a bit. So yeah, I hope you enjoy and hope you like this video. Subscribe if you are not yet. What you waiting for? And until next time, don't forget, stay safe out there. And if you get bored these days, you have a free day off, just scroll into my videos. Maybe you will find something interesting. And another paranormal video coming soon. I'm out.